Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up QuickBooks Enterprise. First, install the software on your chosen server or workstation. Next, register your product using the license and product numbers provided to you. Then, create a brand new company file, which is the foundation for all your financial data. Finally, select your specific industry to automatically tailor your chart of accounts, making initial setup much smoother and more efficient for your business operations. Once your company file is created, it is time to customize it. Carefully review and adjust your chart of accounts to perfectly match your business needs. Next, set up all your sales tax items and the agencies you report to. If you process payroll, configure those settings. Finally, add your essential customers, vendors, and inventory items to populate your system. QuickBooks Enterprise offers powerful advanced features. Explore options like Advanced Inventory, which supports multiple locations for your stock. Set up detailed user roles and permissions, allowing secure access for up to 40 users. Customize your business forms, such as invoices and sales orders, to reflect your brand. Also, consider integrating with other essential business applications for a seamless workflow. Effective ongoing management is key to success. Always back up your company file regularly to prevent any data loss. Reconcile your bank and credit card accounts monthly to ensure accuracy. Review the over 100 available financial reports for valuable business insights. Lastly, ensure your team is well-trained on proper software usage to maximize efficiency and maintain data integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.